Hello friends, welcome to the MCQ series of Medieval History of Odisha Part 9. It has 20 multiple choice questions, but the discussion will cover more than 50 important facts and information. So let us start. Here is the first question. After the defeat and death of last independent Hindu king of Odisha in 1568, the rule of Odisha passed into the hands of which of the following? The British, the Mughals, the Afghans, the Maratha. The right answer is Afghans. In 1568, Odisha was invaded by Suleiman Karani, the Afghan ruler of Bengal. At that time, the ruler of Odisha was Mukunda Deva. Mukunda Deva lost his life in the battle and Odisha passed into the hands of Afghan. Suleiman Karani appointed his wazir Khan Jahan Lodhi as the governor of Odisha. Question number 2. Which of the following is the correct chronological order of rule over the Odisha by following ruling classes? A. Afghans, Maratha, Mughal, British. B. Mughals, Afghan, Maratha, British. C. Maratha, Afghans, Mughals, British. D. Afghan, Mughals, Maratha, British. The right answer is D. Afghan occupied Odisha in 1568, then Mughals in 1592, Maratha rule started in Odisha in 1751, and ultimately British occupied Odisha in 1803. Question number 3. Emperor Akbar sent a military expedition under the command of his able Rajput general Man Singh to suppress the Afghan in Odisha in the year 1580, 1583, 1590, 1593. The right answer is C. From 1568, Odisha was ruled by Afghan. In 1573, Karani's second son Daud started ruling Odisha, but he defied the suzerainty of Emperor Akbar. Due to rebellious nature of Afghan, Mughal rules could not be established completely for a long time in Odisha. At last, Akbar sent Raja Man Singh to suppress the Afghans in Odisha in 1590. Question number 4. In the 11th century AD, historian Al-Biruni mentioned Odisha as Odibhisa, Odravisya, Udravhisau, Udradesa. The right answer is Odibhisa. Al-Biruni was the first Muslim scholar to study India and its Brahminical tradition. He is called father of Indology and the first anthropologist. Al-Biruni travelled to India with Muhammad of Ghazni. He wrote Kitab-ul-Hind. Question number 5. Who was the last indigenous ruler of ancient Odisha? Purushottama Deva, Chudaganga Deva, Mukunda Deva? None of these. Right answer is C. After the defeat of Mukunda Deva by Afghans in 1568, the rule of Odisha passed into the hands of Afghans, and from then on, no rulers of Odisha were able to rule Odisha independently. Question number 6. In which year Todarmal settlement was introduced by Mughal in Odisha? 1588, 1582, 1593, 1568. The right answer is 1582. Todarmal was the most illustrious revenue minister of Emperor Akbar. He introduced new revenue settlement in Odisha in 1582. According to this settlement, Odisha under Mughal was divided into 5 sarkars. At this time, Khan-e-Azam was the Subedar of Bengal. Question number 7. Who became the governor of Odisha after it became a permanent part of Mughal Empire? Hasim Khan, Raja Man Singh, Ali Khan, Mukram Khan. The right answer is Raja Man Singh. Raja Man Singh was the Kachwa Raja of Amber, a state later known as Jaipur in Rajputana. He was a trusted general of Mughal Emperor Akbar. He was among the Navaratna or the 9 gems of the royal court of Akbar. Mansingh fought 67 important battles in Kabul, Balkh, Bukhara, Bengal, and central and southern India. He was well versed in the battle's tactics of both the Rajput as well as the Mughals. Who among the following built the famous mosque called Qadam-e-Rasul, where Hindus and Muslims prayed together? Sujauddin Muhammad Khan, Murshid Qali Khan, Khan-e-Dauran, none of the above. The right answer is Sujauddin Muhammad Khan. The shrines of Qadam-e-Rasul are places of reverence where both the Hindus and Muslims communities visit. It was constructed in 1715 AD by Sujauddin Muhammad Khan, the Nawab of Bengal in Balesore. He was the son-in-law of Murshid Qali Khan. Question number 9. The Pipli port developed during Mughal rule in Odisha was built on the bank of which of the following river? The Brahmani, the Baitarani, the Mahanadi, the Subarnarekha. The right answer is D, the Subarnarekha. The Pipli in Baleswar district should not be confused with the Pipili in Puri district. During the time of Mughal, especially in the reign of Akbar, Pipli developed into important naval center. This famous port was situated in the mouth of river Subarnarekha. The river originates in Ranchi district in the Chhot Nagpur plateau of Jharkhand state and flows through West Bengal and Odisha and falls in Bay of Bengal. Question number 10. During Mughal administration in Odisha, the coastal part was termed as Mughal Odisha, Mughal Bandi, Central Odisha, none of the above. The right answer is Mughal Bandi. The Mughal Bandi was an area under direct Mughal rule. This coastal tract extended from Subarnarekha in the north to Chilika Lake in the south. It was divided into 150 praganas or a subdivision of a district, which were left under the management of 32 amils or local diwans. Question number 11. Which of the following was the principal territorial unit of administration during Mughal rule in Odisha? Mandala, Vaisya, Sarkars, Rajya. The right answer is Sarkars. Odisha was divided into different Sarkars. Formerly, it was known as Dandapat. There were 5 Sarkars in Odisha, that is Jaleshwar, Bhadrak, Katak, Kalinga Dandapat and Rajmahindri. Question number 12. Which of the following was the smallest territorial unit in the administration of Mughal Odisha? Mauja, Taluk, Pragana, Khanda. The right answer is Mauja. Mauja was the smallest territorial unit in the administration of Mughal in Odisha. It was equivalent to a village. The Odisha under Mughal rule was divided into 5 Sarkars, and Sarkar was divided into number of Pragana and Pragana into Taluk and Taluk into several Mauja. The correct order of Mughal administrative unit are as given below. The area where Mughal ruled over Odisha was known as Mughal Bandi. Mughal Bandi was divided into Sarkar, then Pragana, then Taluk, then Mauja. Question number 13. During the reign of the Emperor Akbar, Odisha was divided into how many Sarkars? We have already discussed about Sarkar. For reiteration or for your better preparation, I have repeated the question once again. So the right answer is 5. The Mughal Bandi was divided into 5 Sarkars, which was again divided into 150 Pragana. The Pragana were under management of 32 amils. Each Pragana was subdivided into 2, 3 or 4 or more mahals or allotments. The amil or revenue commissioner was responsible for the assessment of revenue and entrusting charge to different officers for the collection of revenue. During Mughal administration, Chaudhuris were the officials who dealt with welfare, accounts, security, land revenue. The right answer is land revenue. Who among the following officials during Mughal administration in Odisha primarily dealt with revenue collection? Chaudhuri, Kanungoj, Mukdams, All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. The Chaudhuris, Kanungos or Talukdar were the hereditary revenue collectors under Amritsar Revenue Commissioner. Each of them was in charge of taluk or subdivision. Question number 16. Satyanarayana Pala, a popular religious performance in Odisha, was evolved during the rule of which of the following ruling Khans? The Mughals, the Afghans, the Maratha, the British. The right answer is the Mughals. Satyanarayana Pala is a very popular performance in Odisha. It originated during Muslim Mughal period when assimilation of Satyanarayana of Hindu pantheon with Pir of Mohammedanism brought about a synthetic cult known as Satyapir. This was an interchange of cultural traits between Hinduism and Islam. As a consequence of this fusion, the Hindus became the disciples of the Muslim guru or fakir and adopted worship pattern of some Hindu deities and vice versa. Satyanarayana is an incarnation of Vishnu and Pir is an old man or precept of Muslims who established a religious sect at Persia. Question number 17. The district of Midnapur, which was a part of Odisha from ancient time, was transferred to Bengal province during the rule of the Afghans, the Muslims, the Marathas, the British. The right answer is the Muslims. It was during the Murshid Qali Khan's Subedarship that the district of Midnapur was separated from the Suba of Odisha. From the administrative point of view, Murshid Qali Khan was the Nawab of Bengal, serving from 1770 to 1727. Question number 18. Under which ruling dispensation the river Subarnarekha was fixed as the northern boundary line of Odisha? The Afghans, the Muslims, the Marathas, the British. The right answer is the Marathas. In 1751, the Marathas signed a peace treaty with the Nawab of Bengal, according to which Mir Habib, a former courtier of Alivardi Khan who had defected to the Maratha, was made provincial governor of Odisha under nominal control of the Nawab of Bengal, and Maratha army agreed to never cross the Subarnarekha river. Question number 19. Why was Muhtasib appointed during the Mughal in Odisha? To collect pilgrim tax, to work as a spy to the Mughal monarch, to propagate Islam and suppress the heretics, to ensure safety and security of non-Muslims? The right answer is C. To propagate Islam and suppress the heretics. Aurangzeb was a staunch Sunni Muslims and religious bigot. He appointed Muhtasib for the propagation of Islam in Odisha. Question number 20. Under the Mughal administration, when was Odisha separate from Bengal and was constituted as a separate Suba? 1592, 1607, 1617, 1629. The right answer is 1607. With the death of Akbar, Jahangir ascended the throne in 1605 AD. He didn't follow the liberal policy pursued by Akbar. He intervened in the internal administration of Khurda and the temple of God Jagannath. Odisha became a separate Suba and Hasim Khan was appointed as the governor of Odisha. So friend, this was the last question of this series, and unless you have seen the earlier videos, you may go to my channel